Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook silver carp. First, let's prepare our fish. Silver carp can be quite large, sometimes over 20 pounds, so handle it carefully. Start by thoroughly scaling the fish under cool running water. Next, remove the internal organs and gills to avoid any bitter flavors. Finally, rinse the cavity well to ensure all blood and debris are completely gone, leaving a clean canvas for cooking. Now that our fish is clean, let's move on to filleting. A sharp, flexible knife is your best friend here. Carefully cut along the backbone, separating the fillet from the ribs with slow, precise movements. After you have your fillets, use pliers or tweezers to remove any remaining pin bones. Finally, skin the fillet by sliding your knife between the skin and the flesh, leaving you with beautiful, boneless portions. With your silver carp fillets ready, it's time to explore some delicious cooking methods. Pan frying is fantastic for achieving a crispy skin and tender, flaky flesh. Baking with fresh herbs and lemon will enhance the fish's natural flavors beautifully. For a smoky taste, grilling is an excellent choice, especially if you use a flavorful marinade. Alternatively, steaming offers a healthy option that perfectly preserves moisture and nutrients. To truly elevate your silver carp, consider marinating it for at least 30 minutes to infuse deep flavors. Season generously with salt, pepper, and your preferred spices before cooking. When serving, pair your delicious fish with fresh, vibrant vegetables or a light grain for a perfectly balanced meal. A final squeeze of fresh citrus, like lemon or lime, will brighten the overall taste and add a wonderful finishing touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.